I'm not going to put the graph here, but the graph, the horizontal axis is advertising budget and the y-axis is enrollment. And you're right, revenue is not on there. But what this total revenue, or $9,000 per child, allows us to do is to figure out another piece, what the enrollment is. So if you've got revenue of $1 million, that amount, and you've got $9,000 per child, and you divide that out, you get 210, and that gives you the number of kids, because 9,000 per child. So then what you do is you go to the graph, and you've got the enrollment's 210. So on the vertical axis, go up to 210. You see that dot? It's at 18,000 for the advertising budget.